What's up, everybody? We're just over here at Freedom Powersports for National Ride Day. It's, what is it? October 13th. They were giving free hot dogs, and I just wanted to check out their new showroom with their giant wall of ATVs on it. It was pretty cool. Save some floor space. Stacking ATVs 3 high. I saw this nice little Chevy crew. I thought I'd follow them. Yeah, they were giving out free hot dogs. It's National Ride Day. I thought I'd get out on the bike now that the weather's cool. It's like 65 out or something right now. So much better than riding when it's like 90 plus. It's just, it's too much for me. I get hot easy. It's only supposed to get up to like 70 today. I guess quick update, my MRI thing. I'm gonna have to cancel it due to an insurance gap. I'm not gonna have insurance during the appointment, so I gotta cancel it. Wait till I get insurance, then reschedule the MRI, because I hate everything. I really want to get it checked out, but it's not gonna work right now. Insurance is such a pain. Well, yeah, that's what's going on with me. I'm taking the long way to McDonald's now because I followed those, the Camaro and that Corvette. Anyway, yeah, it's gonna be a real short video. Just wanted to make something for National Ride Day. You know how it be. I got some more stuff coming soon, some funny content. I'm trying to get out when I can to make videos. It's just not working too well. I got a lot going on. I'm trying to make videos when I can. It's a little hectic right now. I got a lot going on, including college. And some unfortunate car troubles. My Mustang is kind of dying. I think I've fixed it well enough. I just have to fix the oil leak now. For my mechanic subscribers, I took my air intake off and there was like some oil up there, which is no bueno. So if anyone has some info on that, hit me up. But yeah, there's a little bit of an oil leak. I had to change all the spark plugs because they were in dire need of changing. And cylinder 4 was misfiring because of that, so I fixed that. Oh yeah, that's what's going on right now. I'm gonna stop at McDonald's, and I guess I'll record on the way out. So I'll do my little outro there. What's with all the ZL1s out today? I'm following these bikers. I'm a Harley Davidson rider. Yeah, boy. Yeah, oil leaks. I like your motorcycle. I like your motorcycle. Yeah, when I get home, I gotta call and cancel my MRI appointment. I can't forget that. Otherwise, I don't really know. I don't want to have to pay a fee. Nice blinker! But it is International Ride Day, so it's cool to see all these other motorcycles out here. And when I get home, I gotta check out Do It With Dan's new video. He just hit 200 plus on his Ninja H2, and that's pretty cool. Gotta go check that out. Gotta see it before he kills himself, you know? I'm just kidding. Love you, Dad. Love you so much. I want to get up and ride with him, but I can't. There's cars in the way. I don't want to be a hooligan and pass them all illegal like. Or not. I hate it when they don't do the deuces. But why? I ride a Harley. I can't be friends with you. Whatever, it's great weather. I'm glad I can get out here to ride. It is awesome. And what are you doing? What are you doing? What was the point of that? I am still in college, which is very far away, several hours, so I'm obviously not here on weekdays, just weekends, and that's when I record. And then I'll try to post them on videos. I post them on the weekdays, so you guys have some filler while I'm at school. And then on the weekends I record some more. I don't know, I'm just here. I'm doing what I do. I'm out here winging it. Don't forget, guys, if you want to buy a t-shirt, the link is down in the description. I think they're pretty cool. It's not just like a simple name or anything. It's like actually, I think, a cool t-shirt. Come back, biker buddies! They're all in gear and I'm out here in like a t-shirt and a thin jacket. Hashtag squid life on the Jixer. I hope you guys, if you have a motorcycle or even a bicycle, man, I hope you guys got to get out and ride today. At least here, it's beautiful weather. I don't even know what to title this video. I feel like it was just really random, but I think the point was it's International Ride Day, so I guess I'll name it that. But I don't know. It's kind of weird though. Like, he titled it International Ride Day, but he just talked about his MRI the whole time. Yeah, sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't belong on YouTube. Alright, well, that's all I got for today, guys. I hope you get to ride on any beautiful day that you can. And if not, well, sucks, bro. So, always remember, if you don't have a motorcycle, you suck. I'm just kidding. I love all you guys. But you should still get a motorcycle, so when you drive by, I can do the deuces, even if you don't do it back. Alright, whatever. Catch you guys next time. Ride with danger. Oh, they're everywhere. We're surrounded. Alright, he's still on my tail. I gotta lose him. I lost him, I win. Catch you guys later.